Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Pokegemz Arts. What a fun, instructional, easy educational video we're gonna have today. But before we get started, guys, do me a favor. You see that like button, you see that subscribe button, smash those two buttons. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. Alright guys, today's video is gonna be a little different than others I've done. I'm gonna give you the ultimate Cinderella quiz while I teach you to draw Cinderella. So in a minute, you're gonna have a few questions popping up, a total of 10 questions, and you're gonna get multiple choice. I'm gonna give you about 10 seconds to answer, and then see how many of these 10 you get correct. At the end of the video, I will let you know if you are an expert on Cinderella, if you know your stuff, or maybe you need a little bit more time. Alright guys, let's get started with the quiz and watch me draw Cinderella. Just looking at our drawing, you guys know I always start out with pencil. I'm gonna sketch her out. I wonder how you're doing on your quiz right now. I'm just gonna finish sketching Cinderella, and then what I'll do is I'll go over everything with marker, and then we'll go ahead and color her with our beautiful colored pencils. Guys, I'm gonna do something different here that you haven't seen me do before. This is a fun art trick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the edges as I color a little bit darker, like you see me doing here, and then just color in the inside using the same pencil, but a little bit lighter. And it really highlights those edges and makes it really come to life. So guys, check this out. I recommend doing this. I'm gonna do this with this entire drawing here today. Alright guys, we are basically done with our drawing here. I'm sure yours will turn out awesome. Guys, how did you do on that quiz? Check this out. Which one are you? Are you good? Are you an expert? Do you need a little bit of work? Guys, if you liked this video, if you want to see more, like I said, please hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, the like, and I will definitely see you guys on our next drawing.